There's been a surge of new and returning series lighting up watch lists, with fresh adaptations standing shoulder to shoulder alongside proven hits. Um, Whether you're into urban fantasy throwdowns, science-driven adventures, or isekai with a twist, this week's lineup covers a lot of ground and a lot of genres. Below, we're counting down from 10 to 1, using your list exactly as given, dot, dot. And each entry includes quick, useful details on what it's about and who's making it, from directors and writers to the main voice cast. So you can jump straight into whatever grabs you next. Um, um, 10, uh, often, and then again, a single time in the corner of the first of the port of the ballot, and then who was Dr. Stone follows Senku Ishigami and friends rebuilding civilization with real world science after a global petrification event. The series began in 2019 and continued through Dr. P as Science Future in 2025, with another core announced for 2026. The franchise is produced by TMS Entertainment, with seasons spanning multiple core. Platform listings, confirms streaming availability, and dub production. Cast resources cover both Japanese and English roles, including Yasuke Kobayashi, Senku, and the English dub lineup. 9, Togen Anki. Togen Anki adapts Yura Oroshibara's dark fantasy manga about Shiki Ikinose, an Oni caught in a war with the Momotaro. The TV anime launched in 2025, following premiere events through mid-2025. Cast lists include Kazuki Uda, Hiroshi Kamiya, Kotaro Nishiyama, and Shogo Sakata, with additional roles announced via trailers and news posts throughout the summer of 2025. 8. A wild last boss appeared. An adaptation of Firehead's novels, A Wild Last Boss Appeared, follows the return of the overpowered ruler, Rufus Mafal, in a game-like fantasy world. The TV anime premieres in October 2025, with Crunchyroll listed as the streaming platform. Production details credit WoW World with general production by WoWmax, direction by Yuha Horichi, series scripts overseen by Kazuki Fudeyasu, and music by Technoboy's Polcraft Green Fun. Cast includes Ami Koshimizu, Rufus, Yuri Usui, Dina, Shunsuke Takeuchi, and Tomoaki Maena. 7. Solo Leveling 2024. Based on the hit Korean web novel and webtoon, Solo Leveling is Hunter Sung Jin-woo as he awakens a unique system that lets him level up without limit. The TV series began airing in 2024 with Japanese and English casts covering simultaneous releases. Voice direction credits for the English dub include Caitlin Glass, with assistants Aaron Dismuke, Lee George, and Michelle Rojas. Cast lists feature Taito Ban, JP, and Alex Lee as Jinwoo, among others. 6. Um, The Rising of the Shield Hero, 2019. Uh, Adapted from Aneko Usagi's light novels, Tight no Yusha no Nariagari follows Naofumi Iwatani, one of 4 Sunin heroes, as he fights waves of catastrophe with shield-based techniques, forming a party with allies like Raphtalia and Philo. The TV anime began in 2019 and has continued with multiple seasons. Um, Kinema Citrus produces the series with season 1 directed by Takao Abo, season 2 by Masato Jinbo, and season 3 by Hitoshi Haga. Series composition is by character designs by Masahiro Suwa and music by Kevin Penkin. The main cast includes Kaito Ishikawa as Naofumi Iwatani, Asami Seto as Raphtalia, Rina Hidaka as Philo, Yoshitsugu Matsuoka as Rena Maki, Makoto Takahawa, Yamaya as Itsuki Kawasumi. Uh, and then it would be a new crew, probably that it would be a played Jujutsu Kaisen follows Yuji Itadori as he joins Tokyo Jujutsu High to fight curses after becoming the vessel of Sukuna. The TV adaptation launched in 2020 and has continued with multiple cores and arcs, with season 3, The Culling Game, officially slated for 2026. Across seasons, the series has credited Senku Park and Shotako Shozono, season 2, as directors, with scripts by Hiroshi Seko, character designs by Tadashi Hiramatsu, and music by Hiroaki Tsutsumi, Yoshimasa Terui, and Arisa Oke Hazama. Studio Mappa produces. Okay, so gathers adventure in isekai in the this fantasy isekai adapts Masao Kinoko's light novel series about Takaru, a reincarnated salaryman who builds a life and a party around gathering rather than typical heroics. The TV anime was announced to broadcast in October 2025, with early cast reveals for Takabu, Nobunaga Shimazaki, and V. Ayasa Ito. Reference listings identify additional cast, such as Makoto Koichi and Toshiyuki Morikawa, and provide a concise show overview, tying it to the source novels illustrated by multiple artists. 3, The Water Magician. The Water Magician is the 2025 anime adaptation of Tadashi Kubo's novels, following Ryo, a water magic prodigy reborn in a new world who aims for a quiet life, only to be pulled into escalating conflicts. Listings for the TV series, no cast that includes Ayumu Murase and Kazuki Ura. Staff credits reported across databases name Hideyuki Satake as director with series composition by Jun Komagai. Additional roles include character design by Yuka Kozatsumi and sound direction by Hajime Takakuva. English dub cast entries have also been cataloged. And then 2, Kaiju no and Kaiju no Trump and 8-inch centers on Kafka Habino, a middle-aged cleanup worker who gains the power to transform into a kaiju and joins the defense force to fight monsters from the inside, literally. The TV run began in 2024 and continued into 2025. Recent production notes list Ichiro Okouchi on series composition, Tetsuya Nishio as chief animation director, character designer, and Mahito Maeda providing creature designs. Crunchyroll's updates also confirm new season cast additions for 2025, alongside English dub leads like Nazia Tarsha and Aaron Disney Narumi won. Gachiakuta, increasingly by seeing more CM exceptions, where is it cheaper, or set between a gleaming sky city and the lawless dump. It literally throws its trash into Gachiakuta, follows Rudo, a teen framed for murder and exiled to the wasteland where he discovers janitors who weaponize discarded junk. The TV adaptation began airing in 2025 and is based on Kei Urana and Hideyoshi Ondo's manga. The anime lists Aoi Ichikawa as Rudo with Katsuyuki Konishi, Yoshitsugu Matsuoka, and Yumiri Hanamori. Singer anime is the official site's staff / cast page provides the current credited lineup. The series is produced by Bones. Tell us which of this week's picks you're watching and what should be queued up next in the comments. Riot, before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button for more exciting content. What makes an anime series stand out in a crowded watch list? Is it the genre, the storyline, or the characters? With so many new and returning series, it can, right, be overwhelming to decide what to watch next. This week, we are counting down Crunchyroll's top anime series, featuring a mix of urban fantasy, science-driven adventures, and isekai with a twist. From rebuilding civilization to fighting curses, there's something for everyone. At number, Dr. Five for Parents. Stone follows Senku Ishigami and friends as they rebuild civilization with real-world science after a global petrification event. The series has been airing since and has multiple seasons and cours. Coming in at number, Tugen Anki is a dark fantasy anime that adapts Yura Urashibara's manga about Shiki Ikenos, an Oni caught in a war with the Momotaro. The TV anime launched in Aston. And at number, A Wild Last Boss Appeared is an adaptation of Firehead's novels, following the return of the overpowered ruler, Rufus Mafal, in a game-like fantasy world. The TV anime premieres in October. The ranking at number, Solo Leveling tracks E-rank hunter Sung Jinwoo as he awakens a unique system that lets him level up without limit. The TV series began airing in at number, The Rising of the Shield Hero follows Naofumi Iwatani, one of 4 summoned heroes, as he fights waves of catastrophe with shield-based techniques. The TV anime began in coming in at number, Jujutsu Kaisen follows Yuji Itadori as he joins Tokyo Jujutsu High to fight curses after becoming the vessel of Sukuna. The TV adaptation launched in at number, A Gatherer's Adventure in Isekai is a fantasy isekai that adapts Masuo Kinoko's light novel series about Takeru, a reincarnated salaryman who builds a life and party around gathering. Despite ranking at number, The Water Magician is the anime adaptation of Tadashi Kubo's novels, following Ryo, a water magic prodigy reborn in a new world who aims from quiet life and from there. Uh, at number Kaiju no centers on Kafka Hibino, a middle-aged cleanup worker who gains the power to transform into a kaiju and joins the defense force to fight monsters. And at number, Dachicuta follows Rudo, a teen framed for murder and exiled to the wasteland where he discovers janitors who weaponize discarded junk. The TV adaptation began airing in fighting title Why Did the Anime Character Bring a Ladder to the Party? Because they wanted to take their story to the next level. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, I'm a like.